Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and ensuring the laptop is ready. First, make a full backup or system image to an external drive so you can restore if something fails. Once done, free at least 10–20% of disk space and temporarily disable third-party antivirus to avoid installation conflicts. Make sure your power adapter is connected. Windows updates can take time. Finally, create or verify recovery media and jot down your product key so you can recover if needed. You now proceed to Windows Update and select Check for updates. Install all important updates first, then optional ones as needed. While updates download, go to the manufacturer site and get the latest chipset, graphics, and network drivers. Drivers often resolve stability or boot issues. Install drivers before cumulative updates when possible. Make sure to reboot after each major install group. This clears locked files and allows subsequent updates to apply cleanly. If an update stalls, pause and retry after a reboot. You finish by confirming updates in update history and running sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. This helps explain why a patch failed. Once everything is stable, create a fresh system image so you have a clean restore point with the latest updates applied. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode and uninstall the offending update or run the Windows Update troubleshooter. These steps isolate driver conflicts and corrupted packages. Keep your recovery media handy for full system restore if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.